What's up, Cranks? Nakita niyo ba yung intro? Ulitin natin. Meron na tayong isang logo. So Cranks, this video is about since day one. First of all, I just want to say thank you to Sir Raymond and the Daily Grind Clothing for providing us some merch for today and the upcoming vlogs that we're going to have. If you want to check out some of their designs, you can visit their website, which is dailygrindstore.com, and meron din silang Shopee and Lazada, which is just search on the Daily Grind Clothing. And also check out their Facebook and Instagram. And Cranks, for the record, the Daily Grind Clothing is yung pinaka first brand believer. So we will never forget this gesture by Daily Grind Clothing, supporting small channels like me. And also to our subscribers to this channel, thank you for subscribing. Dahil kung wala naman kayo, literally wala rin Crank Casual. In the coming weeks or months, I would try to stay consistent and promise. Let us also try to invite siguro mga makakasama natin sa mga ride, mga bagong casual coffee rider. And today, actually Cranks, since day one ang ating theme of our vlog for today, I would like to go back, way back, on our very first vlog, which is yung filter coffee, yung sa Silang na branch. Kasi meron din silang Santa Rosa branch. Pero itong pupuntahan natin is yung first vlog natin 8 months ago. Tagal na rin. Kung mapapanood nyo yung video na yun, sobrang ano pa ako nun, kabado. Kasi hindi ako kabado magsalita, pwede ako mag-yak. Kung mapapanood nyo yung video na yun, naka CF Moto 450 NK pa tayo nun. Good morning, Cranks. It's a lovely day today. At that time, I think ang purpose natin is magkaroon ng saddle time. So as much as possible, every day akong nagra-ride out. So sabi ko, document na rin natin yung mga kapihan, di ba? Di ba? Kasi nandun na rin tayo eh. At that time, naka-single cam pa lang tayo, which is dito yung helmet cam. Tapos later on yan, nakapag-invest na rin tayo ng for better immersion, Nox immersion. For better viewing din, nakabili tayo ng 360 camera. And actually that time, medyo nagsistruggle pa tayo sa wind noise. Pero nalaman ko yung secret kay Chase on 2 wheels. Yung helmet mo dapat is parang lahat ng mga pwedeng mga butas na pwede pasukan ng hangin. Abay tatakpan mo. Abay tatakpan mo. And also, na-mention ko, Cranks, on our last vlog, which is yung pumunta tayo ng Coffee Builders, na nandun pa ako sa parang era na nagmamadali. Parang punta ng kapihan, uy, parang gano'n. So ngayon, balikan natin. Kasi pag napanood yung video, parang gumanon lang ako talaga. What a review, what a guy. So ngayon balik tayo. I think ang in-order ko noon is yung ube puff and ice americano lang ata. So ngayon try tayo ng iba. Kasi kasi parang napakadaya nung ginawa ko sa filter coffee. Hindi man lang natin na kahit na-check yung pinaka-vibe nung pinaka-place. Hindi pa rin nagsisink in, Cranks. Thank you pa rin talaga. Especially dito. Yung sa lalaking yan. Meron na tayong parang nasusuot na merch na binibigay sa atin. Thank you guys.
What's up, Pranks? Ay, so today, nandito na tayo sa Filter Coffee. And bumalik tayo since day one, which is actually, parang ito rin natin in-order natin, which is yung Ube Puff, 180 pesos. And long black na 170 at long black, okay, 170. Kung napanood niyo yung lumang video, parang gumano lang ako. Konting review tayo ng food nila. So, ice long black. Tikman natin. Diba? Sarap. Alam niyo yung mga coffee na parang na-vape ka kagad or na-yossi ka. Ito yun eh. Check din natin to. Ito ka lang, ang ating in-order din nun. Ube Puff with cheese. Holy frick. Come on now. Napagaling. Sarap. Sarap ka. Talaga. Grabe. King dati, may mindset lang ako na talagang solo ride, tapos in and out. Ganito yung mga places na parang hinahanap ko naman. Anyway, Cranks, I think nakachamba tayo today na medyo walang tao, so hindi nakakaya mag-shoot. I think yun yung problema ko rin nung looking back, yung first vlog natin, which is itong Filter Coffee. Maraming tao noong time na yun. Tapos parang nandun ako, sa kanto lang ako, sa gilid. Anyway, Cranks, maya-maya ride out tayo. And I just want to say thank you again kay Sir Raymond Daily Grind Clothing for sending us this merch. And meron pa actually. And in the coming vlogs, naka-daily grind tayo. Hey, Cranks, thank you to all the subscribers natin. If hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa video na to, if hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa channel na to, make sure to subscribe on Crank Casual. And also meron tayong Facebook and Instagram and TikTok. And kita-kits Crank sa next video natin. And also kung may mga tambay, alam ko may mga upcoming tambay na this coming weekends, magkita-kits din tayo na. Anyway, Cranks, bye!